February 2021. We're on the A41 at Eastham, just outside Eastham village. We're heading towards Hooton Crossroads. This is a 4-carriageway, 40-mile-an-hour speed limit road. The council are putting a new cycle lane, shared use footway in on the left hand side here. At the moment this is all bollarded off so they can use the machinery and the workers feel a bit safer. Traffic's moving quite well even though it is a Saturday afternoon. We'll go and have a look what they're doing. This goes to the M53 Junction 5 roundabout. I used to cycle this road to work every morning at about 8 o'clock, and we didn't have a cycle lane then. They've raised the footway up, but there's a lamppost in the middle of it there. Flood in here, that's going to choke cyclists when they're on the footway. A bus stop. Bit tight then. Dodgy junction here. Much too wide. On the left will most probably be a continuation of the shared use cycleway. And if by magic it starts here again. Lamppost there blocking it. Road signage. Raised platform for the bus stop. And flooded. Obviously flooded from the road. Road splash. Hopefully when it's surfaced properly the water will drain onto the road, form a puddle and then stop the cyclists. More stupid road signs again. Nice sweeping curve around the roundabout. And a nice crossing point here. Shared use again under the bridge. Another crossing point. And then we're suddenly ejected back onto the road. quite wide enough, and so's the footway, and that's it. Hooton Crossroads is just in front of us at the traffic lights, and the Welsh Road. Thanks for watching the video. Wirral Council are responsible for this. This bit in front of us is Cheshire County Council, or Cheshire West now. Thank you.